In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in PowerPoint step by step, even if you've never created a chart before. This is a really simple way to turn your data into a clean visual graphic that looks great in presentations, school projects, business reports, and client slides. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the pie chart. If you already have a blank slide ready, that works perfectly. If not, you can insert a new slide and choose a layout that gives you enough space for both the chart and any text you want to add later. The pie chart will help you show proportions and percentages in a simple, easy to understand way. Next, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all of the tools for adding objects like tables, images, shapes, and charts. Once you're in the Insert tab, find the chart option and click it. This will open a chart selection window where PowerPoint gives you several different chart types to choose from, such as bar charts, line charts, and of course pie charts. Now, in the chart options, select pie. You may see a few different pie chart styles depending on your version of PowerPoint, but for this tutorial, just choose the standard pie chart. After that, click OK. PowerPoint will automatically place the chart on your slide and open a small Excel sheet where you can enter your data. This is the part where you decide what your chart will represent. In the Excel sheet, you'll see sample values already there. You can replace those with your own data. For example, you can enter A equals 40, B equals 30, C equals 20, and D equals 10. These numbers will be used to build the slices of your pie chart. The bigger the number, the bigger the slice in the chart. So if one category has a higher value, PowerPoint will show it as a larger section of the pie. Make sure your data is entered correctly because the chart updates automatically as you type. You don't need to manually redraw anything. PowerPoint and Excel work together here. So once your values are in place, the pie chart will instantly reflect the changes. If you want to rename the categories, you can do that too. For example, instead of A, B, C, and D, you could use names that better match your topic, like marketing, sales, support, and operations. After you finish entering the data, close the Excel sheet. You don't need to save anything separately unless you want to keep the spreadsheet for later use. Once you close it, PowerPoint will keep the updated chart on your slide. At this point, your pie chart is ready. You can also click on the chart to customize it further. For example, you can change the colors, add a title, adjust the labels, or resize the chart to fit your slide better. If you want your presentation to look more professional, try matching the chart colors to your brand or theme. You can also use the chart design tools to make it more readable for your audience. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a pie chart in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. Open your slide, go to Insert, click Chart, select Pie, enter your data, and close the sheet. It's that easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want to learn next.